the latest flashpoint is over the comments that have come in from the CJI on Rohingyas. Kalyan Banerjee says these are loose comments for TRP. There's another reaction from Samajwadi Party. Manoj Yadav has also hit out at the CJI. He says, and I quote, the CJI should not make such comments without data or case records before him. He has in fact accused the government of appointing a CJI who will act on BJP's directions. Mr. Yadav of the Samajwadi Party also questions the center on how Rohingyas entered India and what action was taken over the last 11 years. Manoj Yadav says the government cannot now talk of their legal status when it failed to stop the illegal entry. He talks about the Rohingya issue and says that this is the failure of the center.
निश्चित तौर पे जब तक कोई मामला जुडिशरी के सामने न जाए और वो भी मामला आंकड़ों में न जाए, तब तक मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी जज को, चाहे वो चीफ जस्टिस हो या किसी हाई कोर्ट का जज हो या कोई भी हो, उनको बहुत ही संभल के ऐसी बात करनी चाहिए। क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि शायद बीजेपी ने ऐसे व्यक्ति को बैठा लिया है चीफ जस्टिस की कुर्सी पे जो उनके इशारों पे नाचेंगे। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि इस देश की संवैधानिक संस्थाएं न्याय करने की जगह सरकार की हाँ में हाँ मिला रही हैं।
Let's go across to Adib, my colleague who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. A very basic, simple question asked by the CJI. Should you give all facilities, roll out a red carpet for somebody who's entered your land illegally? The opposition is finding it very difficult to come to terms with the comment. And now Samajwadi Party leader Manoj Yadav has made a very, shocking comment when he is questioning the integrity of the CJI, questioning the judiciary.
I will definitely, Swati, see Manoj Yadav is not just questioning what the Chief Justice of India has said about the Rohingyas, but he is also questioning the appointment of CJI. He is saying that the CJI has been appointed by the BJP so that he can act on the direction of the BJP. And in fact, when asked about the Rohingyas, what CJI has to say about the Rohingyas, he is saying that the CJI should make comments only when there are some facts or statistics in front of CJI, and he should refrain from making such comments without any case that has been presented before him, Swati.
Massive controversy now after these comments that have come in from the opposition. Thank you, Adib, for getting us the details. So first, Kalyan Banerjee says that these loose comments are being made for TRP, a scathing criticism of the comments that have come in from the Chief Justice of India on the issue of Rohingyas. And then the Samajwadi Party leader Manoj Yadav, who says that the government has appointed a person like the current Chief Justice of India because they know that he's going to follow directions that come in from the center. We're moving on now. Let's shift our focus to another